How to enable Cash App Boost? To enable a Cash App Boost, now often called as offer, you must have an active Cash App card. Boost are digital coupons that provide instant cash back when you pay with your card at eligible merchant. So what you need is open the Cash App onto your device, and from the home page you just want to go to Cash Card icon, and you just need to go ahead and browse offer. That means tap on add offer or save it boost to view the list of available discounts. Next, you have to scroll through the cursor or list, then just tap on specific offer you want. And you just need to make sure to go ahead and activate. That means review any restrictions such as minimum purchase requirement or maximum discount limit, then tap add or active boost. You could also then use your card. That means the boost is now linked to your card, then make a purchase at the participating retailer, and a discount will be applied instantly to your balance. And you can only have one boost active on your card at any given moment, but you can swap it from another whenever you like. And boosts are not automatic. You can must manually select and add them in the app before making your purchase as well. So this way you are supposed to enable Cash App Boost. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.